All right, a great source of passive income here is affiliate marketing. Starting an affiliate marketing business is exceptionally easy with a site like ClickBank, which I highly recommend. They have an entire marketplace of affiliate deals that anyone can promote. You're just going to have to sign up for a free account and go through a quick survey to get some deals they'll recommend for you, or you could just come to the marketplace after that and find some that you personally like. So basically how this business works is you're going to get a link to promote a product, and when someone clicks on that link and buys the product, you get a cut of that sale. So if you guys have been bouncing around videos, you might have watched the Amazon video about making Amazon video reviews, and essentially that's an affiliate business. If someone watches the video, you get a cut of the sale after they make a purchase, but it's between like 2 and 4%. This is going to be a massive percents and way bigger per sale. But the unfortunate thing about this business is that you're going to have to put in some money up front that you might lose over time until you kind of figure out the best way to go about this. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and strategies of how I do this. So this is one that I've personally been an affiliate for. It's called Wood Profits, and basically they have affiliate deals for woodworking and DIY kind of furniture projects. So right off the bat, why I like this one is because it's going to be super easy to run ads to, and I think that's really the only way. You could start a blog and try to get traffic to the blog or a YouTube channel, but really if you want to hit the ground running with this, you can see the average conversion is $30.90. If you run a Facebook ad, and yes, Facebook ads still definitely work pretty well and is what I would recommend for this, you can run a Facebook ad and spend $25 on that ad to get one conversion, and you've made like $6, right? So what's great about this is your cost per conversion on your ads can be really high and you could still make money. So versus drop shipping businesses, you need like a $10 or less cost per conversion. You can have like $25 cost per conversion and still make money on this. And the great thing about Facebook ads is once you figure them out and get them in a groove where you're consistently getting like a $20 conversion on a product like this, you're making $11 per conversion. You could ramp it up, as high as you want. You could be spending $200 per day, getting 10 conversions at $11 a pop. You're making $110 a pop, and you can just leave that on an automated system, and it'll just keep running forever and keep printing you money passively. But it's not as easy as it sounds to find products and conversions like that. So this one in particular, let's click into it. This is essentially what it is. They are online courses here for furniture and wood crafting. So, essentially what I would do is run 3 Facebook ads to start, each with different targeting. So one of them targeting people interested in furniture restoration, one interested in woodworking, and then another one for people that are carpenters by profession, and see which ads work the best and then use that top ad sale. So also something like this is you can earn $80 on a single conversion. So they have multiple courses within this. So the first sale, so if you get someone to buy one product here, you're going to make $30, but then you can make money on top of that for people ordering more products after that as well. So a good one to go after, in my opinion. Also, you got to look at the gravity score of 12.3. So the higher gravity score is going to be the one that more people are having success with on ClickBank. So you can see 12 compared to just 0.5, 1.3. So this one has a really high gravity score. There are ones also on ClickBank that have insanely high average commission amounts. Like if we come over to business here, and you can see this one has $1,100 average conversion with a 12.5 gravity score here. So this one obviously going to be massive. So this one is going to be a huge commission, $826 for someone to buy essentially their investing crypto course here. So this could be something to promote while crypto is pumping, and then after that, every time that they stay in here, you're going to get $45 per month for them staying in here, which is an average of, like 1100, 1200. So there are tons of affiliate offers you can get over here on ClickBank. You just got to look through them. Find ones that you think could be easy to run ads to and to get sales on, and go with that, especially ones with higher gravity scores. Highly recommend something like that. But again, just breaking down real quick how this type of business would work. So come on ClickBank, find the affiliate deal that's right for you. Get all set up with the links and everything. Just click this promote button. Once you have all your affiliate links, you can either use the ads they're already going to have made for you that you could just plug right into Facebook ads, and you could run that with your specific targeting. Test out a few different ads with different targeting, see which ones are working. Once you find a profitable ad, just scale that ad up. At first, you might lose money running these ads, but over time, you'll be able to find the right product and the right ads that will allow you to just print money on specific products that you could find here on ClickBank. It's pretty great for the high average commissions you can earn on here compared to something like Amazon affiliates. And if you can just get your ad set to have a lower cost per conversion than the amount that they're going to pay you per conversion, that's going to be a winning ad that you could scale up. So I definitely recommend trying this out. This is one of the most passive businesses that you can do. And the scale on this is essentially limitless because you can just scale up these ads that are working and profitable as high as you want.